Welcome back, my dear children. In our previous class, we learned about adjectives and kinds of adjectives. We know an adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Then we learned about kinds of adjectives. Adjectives can be classified into 8 kinds. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, and proper adjective. Then we discussed about adjectives of quality. Adjectives that express the kind or quality of a person or a thing are called adjectives of quality. And we know that adjectives of quality may be used in 2 different ways. They are attributively and predicatively. In attributively, adjectives is used along with the noun. And in predicatively, adjective is used along with the verb. Then we learned about adjectives of quantity. Adjectives that tell us how much of a thing is intended are called adjectives of quantity. Okay, children, today we are going to learn about adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. Adjectives that tells us how many people or things are meant or in what order a person or a thing stands are called adjectives of number. Examples: the hand has 5 fingers. Few cats like cold water. I have taught you many things. Here, 5, few, and many are adjectives. And adjectives of number answer the question how many. Okay, next one is demonstrative adjectives. Okay, children, you will say what is a demonstrative adjectives? Yes, demonstrative adjectives point out which persons, things, or places are meant. For example, this boy is stronger than Harry. These mangoes are so. Don't be in such a hurry. Children, here which words are used to point out persons, things, etc.? Yes, words like this, these, and such. These words are used to point out persons or things. So, these are known as demonstrative adjectives. We know this and that are used with the singular nouns, and these are those with the plural nouns. Next one is distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives show that persons or things are taken one at a time. I repeat, distributive adjectives show that persons or things are taken one at a time. Each, neither, either, every, etc. are the most commonly used distributive adjectives. Examples: each pen costs 10 rupees. Every player did his best in the match. There were trees on either side of the road. Here, words like each, every, either are distributive adjectives. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Today we discussed about adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. Adjectives that tells us how many people or things are meant or in what order a person or a thing stands are called adjectives of number. Then we learned about demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out which persons, things, or places are meant. Then we learned about distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives show that persons or things are taken one at a time. Each, neither, either, every, etc. These are the most commonly used distributive adjectives. Okay, children, this is the time to say goodbye. Thank you and have a nice day.